God said He would never leave us, don't forsake us. And this is Jesus speaking. But, now you know when somebody says but, you pay attention. Cause I
made it to the grocery store looking for some Powerade. It's nasty stuff my boyfriend drank. And yeah, I don't see the one he's looking for, so he probably not getting it. Alright, so we've made it home from the store. So like I told y'all, I need to clean up, so I'm going to do that. But I want to show y'all my outfit before I took it off. So this is a two-piece denim set from Fashion Nova. The crop jacket has shoulder pads in it. And then they're just some wide leg flare jacket jeans. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but that's what we're working with. So let me change so I can at least get my house partially clean. There's been a little change to my plans. I am now going with my boyfriend to his uncle's house. They're doing some kind of wing palooza. That's what it feels like, a wing palooza. So that's what we're gonna do. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. So today, of course, I'm working. So that's where I am currently. I don't have a voice, so the kids will be doing worksheets today. And then I have 2 clients that I have to take after work. So I will go and do those clients at the shop where I do lashes and waxing. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. Happy Thanksgiving. So what I'm about to do now is I need to polish my toes because they're blue and my nails are red and we can't be doing it. So I have my drill. This drill is a Young Nails drill that I've had for some years now, actually. It still works very, very well. And I think I do have a warranty on it, but it's not, nothing's wrong with it. So So I have that. So I'll take this polish off my toes. And the color that I'm going to do is this D&D color. It is the color cherry berry. I'm gonna pull my hair up into half up, half down with some bangs. And let me show y'all my outfit I'm wearing to the living room. So I have this one shoulder, what do you call it? What's this material? Child, we're gonna see if I'm wearing it because it look like it got something on it now that I'm looking at it. T-shirt material, top. It has a cutout on the side, and that can be tightened or loosened. And of course, like I said, it's one shoulder, the other shoulder is off. And then I have these navy blue scrunch front capris from Fashion Nova, and they have these little ruffles at the end. They are a legging material, but they're like that pontonette material, so that's really nice. If I don't wear this shirt, I will just put this on and throw on maybe like a denim jacket. This is a little crop cami from Fashion Nova, a white one. And now I'm trying to figure out what purse I'm gonna wear because I just changed my mind. Oh, and I'm wearing these white 𝒆𝒏𝒊𝒎 shoes, low heel, because girl, we're going to the living room. I don't need nothing real high. I'm not sure on my bag anymore because I might just wear this little sparkly one that I wore for the weddings. It does have a chain in it, so I don't have to wear it as like a handle purse, but for picture purposes it's going to be really cute as a handle purse. So I'm gonna pull that out. I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna wear this bow, which is probably more likely because it's giving fall, or this one. Either or, it'll be either one of these. This one's more neutral, but like, we'll see which one I like better with the fit. All right, guys, so my hair and my makeup is done. So this is what we're looking like for the living room. I don't know how the back look for real. I'm hoping it look like something. But I did choose to do the red bow because I think that's going to be tea for the fit. And for my lips, I am wearing, first of all, let me go get my lip liner because we can't put this bright red on and not have no lip liner. So we're gonna try this one. All right, so I have this brown lip pencil from the hair store. It's the color coffee, and we're gonna line our lips. And then we are going in with the Morphe Hot Shot. This is a matte, that's upside down. This is a matte lipstick that I got. Child, I had this for a while now. But their matte lipsticks I really like. So let's see. We want to go this bright. I kind of feel like I need a gloss on this. Or maybe not. I'm liking what it's giving. Child, I look real I look real light with this blonde hair. I'm not as light as I'm looking, but I feel like I look real light. Okay, so let's get the fit together. I wanted to film a TikTok, but I'm not really sure how. Like, I don't really want to do the whole like, oh, this is this and this is that. I don't know. I might do like one of those. I really don't know what I want to do. I might just do a like, hey guys, this is my outfit of the day, and like do some cute little edits or something. That's what I'm gonna do, because I don't I'm not feeling all the extra stuff today. And my auntie is starting dinner at 2, and it is 2. So let me put my clothes on. I'll be back to show y'all the fit in a little bit. All right guys, so here is the final look. My sunglasses are from Amazon. This top is from 𝑑𝒊𝒆𝒐𝒊𝒏𝒈. It has a little cutout on the side. Pants or capris, if that's what you want to call them, are from Fashion Nova. Purse, Nordstrom Rack. Shoes, Nordstrom Rack. And yeah, we looking like a superstar. Oh, and my bow is from Rainbow. Rainbow for the bow. And yeah, that's what we are looking like for today. I did put some lidocaine on my feet to try to alleviate some of the pain. But y'all know you start sliding forward. So I am going to take some slides with me just to have, in case I don't choose to wear the shoes all day. But yeah, let us go to the first house, because y'all know I go to several houses for Thanksgiving. So my auntie is first, and she stays by me. So I'm going to go to her house first, and then we'll determine what we do from there.
For that first down in Chicago. It couldn't have been late. I was watching it. It had to be earlier. He defended good at the end.